Property assessments explained using fun visual aids. A property assessment is what the city estimates your property's market value is on July 1st of the previous year. They do this so they can determine your share of property taxes each year. They look at all of the individual ingredients that make up your property and compare yours against other properties with similar components. These black bears are the age of your property. This banana is the size of your lot. This juicy mango is the neighborhood, and these pineapple slices are the size of your home. This cherry is a pool with a sweet slide. Mix it all together, and you get a delicious, nutritious property assessment. Get more property assessment information as full of fiber as this one by checking out the rest of our videos or by visiting edmonton.ca/assessment.